Hello mate, today I'll be making a video of the futwiz pack opening. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and let's do this. So right now I'm playing Xbox at the same time. I'm bidding on if he's on here. Nope, we can search the player. I'm right now bidding on FIFA 16. The one only Fletcher. So this player I'm bidding on for my BPL squad. Or no more at Ing. But yeah, let's just open some packs. Here we go. So first pack of the pack opening. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so close. Right back. I'm not getting that many good players. I don't get good players usually. Left mid. Royce. Yes. There we go. That's a good player. Yes, Royce and Kazil. Not a bad pack. Kazilia. So I want to get that Ronaldo from Ronaldo. I got one other one. Royce again. Don't tell me it's okay. It's not the same pack. No. Just go back onto the packs. Here we go. Sorry about that. Next pack, we will get Alba. Yes. Warn you, that's my dad. Oh darn! Ooh! Wait! Oh my god! I'm going to bid on Fletcher. Oh my god! I just bid on Fletcher. Oh my god! Oh, I just bid on Fletcher again. Oh my god! Fletcher, there's a battle going on over here. Dun. Oh, oopsie! Didn't mean to do that. I'm probably going to lose this Fletcher battle. I give up. So we're going to just have to. Sorry, the Fletcher I wanted was lost. So I'm going to be opening packs and looking for a player. What's your name? We could bid on you for BPL. Okay, who do we get? Oh, that's terrible. Beneke. Here we go. Please. Rojic? Oh, yeah. I thought it was going to be Modric or something. That pack was bad. 55 seconds. Oh my god! Messi! Yes! Oh my god! Messi! Yes! 16 million Messi! Yes! That's a great pack. Here we go. I'm trying to bid and nobody's letting me. Darn, I wish I could bid on Hurricane. Dun. Oh, pack's terrible. Smalls, you're killing me, Smalls. No. Oh, you stupid Van Persie. Wow. Oh my god. No! I can still bid. Yes. The war. Santa Gazola. Oh, darn. Okay, we're going to just have to stop the battle. I'm just stopping the battle. Nobody's going to do it. Okay, we'll be opening 3 more packs. So this is 2 more packs after this. 2 more packs. We need to get that Ronaldo. Here we go. This is our last chance to get Ronaldo. Get. The one that was a boss. Kevin De Bruyne, yes. He's not that bad. Oh, wow. William. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, get a like, and see you in the next one. And yeah, bye.